Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete photos in Remini app. Let's get started. This is the most important method. Take your iPhone and open the Photos app on phone. Now go to Library or Recent. Look for the photo that was editing using Remini. Usually the photo has a Remini watermark or look in and tap on the photo once. Now tap the dustbin icon at the bottom right of the screen. After tap delete photo to confirm, and that's it. The Remini photo is now deleted from your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.